I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, where we climb one useful Korean rung at a time.
안녕하세요. 하나입니다. 오늘도 쉽고 자연스럽게 같이 연습해요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. 오늘은 대화를 멈추지 않고 이어가는 표현을 배워요.
Here's my real problem. A Korean speaker says one sentence, and my brain hears one long sound. What do I say without panicking?
그럴 때는 짧게 말하면 돼요. 천천히 말해주세요. It means please speak slowly.
그리고 다시 한번요. This means one more time, please. It is short, natural, and polite enough for everyday situations.
So, I do not need a big sentence. I can just say, 천천히 말해주세요, or 다시 한 번요.
맞아요. Today we focus on sound 2. Gentle pitch, a small pause, and a polite ending.
First, 천천히. It means slowly. Say it with even pacing, not rushed.
천천히 말해주세요. 말해주세요 means please say it or please speak. Together, please speak slowly.
Listen to the natural rhythm. 천천히, small space 말해주세요.
천천히 말해주세요.
천천히 말해주세요.
좋아요. 팁 주세요. Soft and polite. Do not punch it like an order.
Now 다시 한 번요. 다시 means again. 한 번 means one time. 요 makes it polite.
You can say it as a short rescue phrase. 다시 한번요.
다시 한 번요.
다시 한 번요.
완벽해요. In English, think. Not a dramatic question, just a polite lift at the end.
I notice. 주세요. Feels more complete and feels shorter. Is that right?
Yes. 천천히 말해주세요. Is a full polite request. 다시 한번요. Is shorter but still polite because of 요.
If the other person is speaking too fast, use 천천히 말해주세요. If you missed the sentence, use 다시 한 번요.
Let me reason this out. If I understood nothing because it was too fast, I ask, 천천히 말해주세요.
맞아요. And if you heard the speed but missed one part, 다시 한번요. Is natural.
Now listen in a tiny real-life dialogue. Shunho says something quickly, and I ask him to slow down.
오늘 회의는 3시에 시작해요.
죄송해요. 천천히 말해주세요.
네, 오늘 회의는 3시에 시작해요.
That. 죄송해요. Before it sounds useful. Like, sorry, please slow down.
Yes. 죄송해요 softens the request. You do not always need it, but it sounds polite with strangers.
이번에는 repeat beat. I ask for one more time, short and polite.
비밀번호는 830이에요.
다시 한 번요.
830이에요.
I like how. 다시 한 번요. Is not long. It gives me a quick way to survive.
Now repeat after me. First, slow and clear. 천천히 말해주세요.
천천히 말해주세요.
좋아요. make 말해주세요. one smooth piece 말해주세요.
말해주세요. 천천히 말해주세요.
Good. Next. 다시 한번요. Keep it light at the end.
다시 한 번요.
아주 좋아요. The final yo should be gentle. Not too high, not too flat.
Common mistake time. I want to say, speak slowly, but I worry I'll sound bossy.
The blunt version is 천천히 말해. It can sound casual or like a command. With strangers, say 천천히 말해주세요.
Another mistake is asking for repeat in English word order. In Korean, use 다시 한 번요, not a translated sentence you build under pressure.
So, I should not invent a long sentence when I'm stressed. I should use the chunk. 다시 한 번요.
Exactly. And if you need both, you can combine them politely. 죄송해요. 다시 한번 천천히 말해주세요.
That longer sentence is useful, but beginners can start with the two core phrases. 천천히 말해주세요. 다시 한번요.
Quiz.
You're at a shop, and the staff member says a number too fast. Which is the best polite first response?
The answer is A. 천천히 말해주세요. It is polite and directly asks the person to slow down.
Second check. You heard the speed, but missed the last word. Which phrase is most natural and short?
I think it's A. 다시 한 번요. Because I need a repeat, not necessarily slower speech.
Correct? If you need both, then choose the longer combined sentence. 다시 한번 천천히 말해주세요.
정리해 볼게요. 천천히 말해주세요는 please speak slowly 예요. Use it when Korean feels too fast.
다시 한번요는 one more time please예요. Use it when you need the same thing. Repeated.
주세요와 요가 공손함을 만들어요. In English, 주세요 makes a full polite request and 요 keeps a short phrase polite.
부드럽게 천천히 끝은 살짝 올려요. In English, keep the voice gentle, pace it evenly, and lift the ending just a little.
My keeper sentence is,
죄송해요. 천천히 말해주세요.
sorry, please speak slowly.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 죄송해요. 천천히 말해주세요. This one sentence can keep you in the conversation.
And keep 다시 한번요 in your pocket. It is small, polite, and powerful.
You just climbed another rung of Korean ladder. I'm Ava, saying, slow down, repeat, and keep going.